computer actually fucking loads up. Okay, we've been recording for about 3 seconds now. So what's going on, crypto gang? Listen. XRP, bro, broke the trend line. Are we at the bottom? I don't know. But we're going to get into it in this video. Alright, so before I get into the video, I just got to put a little disclaimer out so I don't, I cover my ass, liability. You guys understand, right? Good. I am no way a financial advisor. These are just my opinions and my, outlooks on the market currently as we speak at 7:55 a.m. New York time. Yeah, I've been up early and I'm tired, guys. Listen, if you enjoy the videos at the end, if you decide to, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, I don't know, subscribe maybe, hit that bell notification so when you know that I'm making another video, you guys can tune in. Show some support, you know what I'm saying? If you desire to. I don't, it's cool. Listen, in the link in the description, if you're new to crypto and you're getting onto my channel and you're new and shit and you want to learn how to, trade and you want to start investing in crypto because you're hearing, oh my god, crypto's the next big thing, cryptocurrency, and you're hearing it everywhere, dude, just click in the link in the description below. It's the link for Coinbase. You buy $100 worth of any crypto, XLM, XRP. Well, you're not going to be able to buy XRP in the future, but XLM, XRP, ADA, is ADA on there? Algo. If you want to go with a stable coin, DAI, you get 2% on your money. Algo, you're getting 6% of your money back. Click the link in the description. If you have an exchange already, but you're looking to get an offline crypto wallet, the Ledger Nano S, down in the description below. Look it up, man. It's up to you. But let's get into the video, man. Let's go look at some charts. Let me share my screen real quick. I don't want to make that mistake again. Let's go look at Cardano, XRP, guys. We broke the trend line. And we're starting to get a little bit of bullish divergence. I mean, the lowest this got so far was probably like 30 minutes ago, and it was like 1870. And I'm in a long position right now on Forex, so rip. And I got stopped out at like 20-something cents, so a fucking rip. It is what it is, whatever. But yeah. I mean, we did break structure. And we did break lower lows. And we're making lower lows right now. But we hit the RSI. So, I mean, good news. Like, if you want to look at it long term, right now is a very good spot to buy. Like a small bag, not a big bag, because it could still drop. And if it continues to drop, don't fucking sue me. I don't control the markets. Alright? We're trading at 1960, 1959, 1960. Currently, as I'm making this video, we still got 11 hours left until this daily, candle closes up. I mean, we just see a shit ton of red, kind of like we see here, but just not as much. I mean, from here, well, we saw like a 70% dip, 64% dip, and then from here, we see, if they can fucking load up, man, like, what the hell? 50% dip. I mean, really, it's not as much, but like 50, 60, so really in total we're at like 75% dip, 85% dip from where we were literally a fucking week ago. So I mean, if this scares you and you want to sell, I'm not, that's up to you. But if you're in it for the long term, because I feel like once everything starts to delist and you can't really trade on or like buy any XRP on any of these other exchanges, probably what's going to happen is everything's going to start going up. And anybody who sold, they're going to be like, what the fuck, why'd I sell? Or they're going to be like, I'm so fucking glad I sold. It's going to be either one of those two, scenarios. And I feel like if you bet your whole life savings on XRP, kind of like that one dude, if you go look him up on YouTube, I think it's like Cameron. I forget his name. But I'm subscribed to him, and he lives in like Thailand, I think. I don't know, but he lives in the complete opposite side of the world, making a shit ton of money, making videos. Pretty cool guy. I mean, for the extent I can, relate to what he's talking about. I feel like if you're betting your whole life savings on one thing, you're not the smartest or brightest person. So when you start losing money, you shouldn't be really fucking scared. You should be fucking terrified because you made a pretty bad decision. But I mean, if you're new to this space, I could understand it because I mean, everybody makes that same mistake. Oh shit, let's follow the hype and let's buy here when really you're at the top, when really you should be buying at the bottom, which right now it looks like we're at the bottom. Give me 1 second. Alexa, alarm off. Cool. So we could potentially be hitting the bottom right here. This could be a complete fucking fake out. And let me just go into the lower time frames just to show you guys what I'm kind of seeing right now. So with these big wicked candles, all I can really say is it's a fucking fake out, you dumb fucks. Stop being such fucking pussies. Excuse my language. But stop being such fucking pansies. Alright? It's a fake out. Look, bullish fucking divergence. And we have bullish divergence on the daily. Stop being fucking morons and selling your positions and regretting it later on, dude. This is like the lowest it's probably gonna get, around 1870. I mean, if it drops more, cool, whatever. I'm fucking wrong. It is what it is. I can't predict the fucking charts. I can only look at technical analysis, and you know, with all the news that's going on, you really don't fucking know. But I mean, look. Bullish fucking divergence. Bullish divergence, not bearish. Bullish. Okay. We did break past this fucking trend line. And we do have to come back and retest these levels right here. But this is a fucking fake out to get people out of their positions because people think it's going to go down to fucking zero. It's not going to zero. The fucking whales aren't going to allow it. Okay? Like, you guys actually understand this. Like, they sell up here. They sell a shit ton of their positions. They see that the people see that it's going down. Then it recovers a little bit. Then people are like, no, this is a lower low. And or higher low, and then they just fucking start selling off, and then the whales come in and they buy again. Yo, I wanted 20 cents on my XRP, and they're fucking buying down here. Watch, I wouldn't be surprised if this shit comes above the fucking trend line again, and then plays around right here, and then just starts going up mid-January. That's why I'm fucking holding my position. If I'm completely wrong and it goes down to 14 cents, best thing I can do is buy some Bitcoin, transfer it over to my atomic wallet, and then transfer Bitcoin to XRP so I can get it at a lower price. Like, there's ways around it, and if that works, dope as hell. If it doesn't, then you know, it is what it is, whatever. But I got a good bag on XRP, bro. If it ever goes up to like $100, $200, $300, bro, I'm lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking lit. If it goes up to $1, $2, I'm still fucking lit, bro, because I still bought around right here, man. So like, really, I'm not too fucking worried. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm really not too worried. I'm not really gonna get my emotions into play because, you know, emotional trading is cause for failure, and don't be an emotional little bitch. That's all I gotta say to you. If you're an emotional little female and you're trading, nothing wrong against women. You know, I love women. But if you're being an emotional little bitch in the markets, you're gonna fucking lose. And I could tell you that from fucking experience. So when I see all this baloney of this shit dropping another fucking, you know, however much percentage in one day, if I just really, hold on 1 second. Shit dropped 33% in one day. Like, you're in crypto, you dummy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just normal for crypto to do this shit. Like, you see Bitcoin drops hundreds and like fucking thousands in a day, and then it recovers, bro. Think about the same way as here. I said it in my previous videos. When you're at 19 cents, think about it as $1,900, right? And if it goes up to 25 cents again, bro, it recovers 6K. 6 cents, like, people are like, oh, it's just fucking 6 cents. It's only a quarter, blah, 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 blah. Like, shut the fuck up, man. Like, think about it in like a trader's perspective. Like, we have bullish divergence. This looks like a fucking double bottom. One, right here. If we break this, we're going to come back, retest it, and then go back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's... this shit gets me tight, bro. Like, I see a lot of people, like, they follow in the FUD, bro. Like, they follow other people's opinions. Like, I'm not saying you should follow my opinion because I'm no way a financial advisor. I'm just saying, like, be logical and think for your fucking self. You know what I mean? Like, that's the only thing that I could say. Like, I could tell anybody who's being or who wants to get in this field, like, be logical and think for your fucking self. Don't be a dumbass and, you know, think, like, I get it if you're new. Like, I honestly I understand if you're new to this space. But if you're a fucking vet and you're letting this shit get to you, like, play to your emotions, bro, you should, like, reanalyze your term on vet, okay? Yeah, man, like, we got bullish divergence. I'm gonna go look at some other shit because XRP gets me tight, and, you know, people talking shit, and they're like, oh, it's gonna keep on dropping. If it keeps on dropping, cool, whatever. It is what it fucking is, bro. Just wait for it to come back up. It don't. Whatever goes down must come the fuck back up. Okay, that's just the way of nature. That's the way of the world. Let's go to Bitcoin, man. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin, because honestly, Bitcoin right now, what I said was gonna happen pretty much happened. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna continue to happen the way I thought it was gonna happen, but let's go take a look, shall we? I'm gonna delete this because it's from the video yesterday. And cool. What do we got here? I mean, we got a kangaroo tail. We're back up to 26,890. At one point, bro, I was up like 3K. Now I'm like at 1K. Yeah, whatever. But kangaroo tail. Here's a retest. Here's a retest on the retest. And a retest on the retest. I mean, if we look at the 15-minute, we'll really like see what's going on. So this was the kangaroo tail. This is kind of like where it happened. And I mean, it wasn't that big of a kangaroo tail on the 15-minute, but is that where it is? I think that's where it is. Yeah, this is exactly where it is. Okay. So I mean, if we think about it in a logical perspective, man, what happened? I'll tell you what happened. One thing is for sure is that we have a clear support right here. If I just get the WikiWix, we can get the WikiWix, okay? We got clear support in this area, mate. All right? Look, if you don't fucking see this, go learn support resistance and get your fucking eyes checked. Okay? Support resistance. We got support resistance flip. Boom, boom. Come up. This was the whole whatchamacallit that I was fucking raving about. And I took a position, and I'm happy I took the position. So, I mean, you can see it on the higher time frames too. I mean, like, we're literally rejecting off of this one point right here. So, I mean, what could possibly happen? Because, like, on the 4-hour now, it looks like it's a fucking doji. On the daily, it's a pin bar. Alright, so, I mean, on the 4-hour, doji. I forgot where the fuck I saw. I gotta look at my videos again. But either way, we got a good amount of support resistance here. So I could be completely wrong. I could get stopped out. I might take some profits. But it looks like we're making a lower high. Because we kind of came back up. We're chilling in this area right now. And now we came back, retested right here. But we made basically a pin bar. And then if we make a higher high and we start making higher highs and higher lows, I'm just going to exit out of my position and take the profits that I got. But let's look at a 15. Okay, 15-minute chart. What do you see? I see the same thing that I saw before, pretty much. I mean, now we're making higher highs and higher lows, but we still got to beat this high right here, which it has not beaten yet, and we have to beat this high right here. So if we just put a just like something like this, right? We just go boop. They gotta beat somewhere around this area, like somewhere that's significant, which would basically be right here, because these are all fake outs. I mean, if you think about it, you got resistance here, came back, retested, come ups, faked out, came down, faked out, boom, rejected, comes back, finds some level of support right in this area right here, which honestly, this level of support is actually acting pretty good on the lower time frames. Comes back, fakes out, fucking rejects it, rejects, finds support again, rejects, finds some sort of little bit of support, comes down, comes to the daily support, or like the 4-hour support, comes back up. There's buying pressure right here, so people are fucking buying it up like, yeah, let's go up. Comes up, rejects, basically rejects off of the support, makes a double bottom on the 15, makes a double bottom. Let me just, for those of you who are blind, double bottom, okay? Comes back, basically retest right here, and then we're continuing upwards, okay? So if we continue on this uptrend, once it gets to about right here, I'll probably just get out of my positions because this is gonna go right back up. So I mean, I could be completely wrong on Bitcoin. It still has to play out, but it has to beat these highs right here. Like it really has to beat it. Like it has to break and then retest. So it has to have like a clear break, kind of like you see here. Has to be a clear break and then has to come back and, you know, do its thing and then actually hold the retest for it to stay above and then continue upwards. Okay, so that is what would have to happen for this to be a clear break and retest. But with Bitcoin, we are pretty bullish. If you look at the 1 hour, you can see it a little bit better. With all, like, see, you're seeing on like the higher time frames, it's just completely rejecting this area. So there's a lot of selling pressure right here. So don't be surprised if we get to here again and then we come up just to fake people out thinking that it's gonna continue upwards. So don't be surprised if it goes up maybe like 27.5, right? And then it comes and actually does a retest, but then just breaks below and then just fucking dips, right? Don't be surprised if that happens. And don't be surprised if it breaks and it's fucking holds and then it just fucking continues because there's more buyers than there are sellers because people want Bitcoin to go up. Now, that's the video for the morning. I think I'm at like probably 15 minutes now making this video, probably like 20. So, 16 minutes, man. All right, cool. We're at 16:52. I'm going to cut it at 17. So, peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Links in the description. Have fun. Bam!